Hello, my name is Henri Aalto. I'm a guitar teacher in my area of Vaasa, Finland. Here I'm gonna show you 4 blues licks in A. Okay, lick number 1. I am bending with my ring finger from fret 7 up to an E note, fret 5 on the B string. So I'm bending from 7 to 9 here on the G string with my ring finger, and I'm bending with 2 fingers, so I got more strength. 5 on the B string and 5 on the E string. Twice, 3 times, and then 7 to 5 on the G string. That's a pull off, and then 7 on the D string. So I'm doing this pull off. I'm putting my ring finger and my first finger at the same time on the same string, frets 7 and fret 5. So I'm picking fret 7 on the G string, snapping off to fret 5 on the same string. So I'm picking again, showing again, snapping off to fret 5, and then I'm picking 7 on the D string. So I'm doing a pull off here. Pull off, I'm putting my ring and first finger on the same time on the same string. So I'm snapping off a little bit downwards, a downwards motion. Then you have to keep the string straight position here. Don't do like this, because otherwise you'll be out of tune. So the whole lick. 1, 2, 3. That was lick number 1. Lick number 2. Okay, lick number 2 goes like this. I'm doing the same bend with the ring finger, so it sounds like fret number 9 on the G string. So I'm bending, and it's good to bend with this kind of motion. It's better control of the pitch. That means you will bend more accurately if you do this kind of motion. So bend 5 on the B, 5 on the E string, 8 on the B, snap off, pull off to 5 on the B. Twice that. Now sliding up to number 10, fret number 10 on the B string. Slide and fret 8 down on the E string, and a small quarter bend. So in blues we have this small bends. Over 7th chords or major chords, can bend the minor third slightly, or play from minor to major. And it sounds more jazzy. Lick number 3. Double stops. That means you play on 2 strings at the same time. So I'm playing both strings with just picking downwards. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 7, 5, and slide from 8 to 10 to an A note. That's the root. So the lick goes like this. So I'm damping the other strings here. That's why I'm keeping my first finger here. That's my way of playing this one. One fret bend from B up to C. That's the target note.